name is Roadstrider. Today we are unboxing the Beyblade Shogun Steel Ninja Salamander Balance Type Starter. It's really cool. So let's first look at the back of the box. So here we have the Shogun faceplate, the Warrior wheel, the Element wheel, the spin track, and the performance tip. So it's actually pretty cool. I really like it. The art for it's really cool. It has like this here. This is probably one of my favorite faceplates too, so I really like the art. So yeah, let's get right into the unboxing. Alright, so here it is, Ninja Salamander S145, and then Defense. Wait, 145, I don't know. I'm tired. Alright, so it's really cool. So yeah, let's check it out. So here we have the Ninja Salamander faceplate. I honestly, this is probably this might even be my favorite one. It's so cool. It just like the color scheme of it is almost perfect. Looks actually better in the camera, but it's still really good. And then here we have the Warrior wheel. I really like this one. I actually have another one somewhere, but it's really cool, and it's pretty heavy. It's not as heavy as some, but it's still really good. And then here we have the Element wheel. They just nailed it with the color. It makes it just look so cool. I feel like the whole kind of color scheme in this Beyblade matches perfectly with the color scheme of like fire too, so it's really cool there. And then here we have the spin track, which is S145. It's pretty cool. The wings make it look super nice, and I really like it. So now here is SD. It's pretty cool. It might have some good LED, and I really, really like it. So yeah, let's put it together. Alright, so here it is, Ninja Salamander. It just looks so cool, like literally like a fire. I really like it. The scheme, they just nailed it. Like, I just don't have anything to say except for they just nailed it. Like, literally, I just keep saying that. That is so true. Like, they did so well. So yeah, again, collectors, you definitely should get this one. So yeah, I didn't really have anything to say. Peace out.